Ever pondered about the journey to becoming a cybersecurity expert? Today we'll break down the process into digestible steps, which could be your blueprint to mastering cybersecurity. Firstly, understanding the basics of cybersecurity is crucial. This involves gaining knowledge about its significance, key concepts, common threats, attack vectors, and defense mechanisms. Get comfortable with common cybersecurity lingo such as malware, phishing, encryption, firewalls, and more. Next, explore the vast landscape of cybersecurity. It's a broad field encompassing network security, information security, application security, and much more. Each area offers unique challenges and rewards, so take the time to find your niche. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves and gain some technical skills. This can involve learning about operating systems like Windows and Linux, understanding networking protocols, and even dabbling in programming languages such as Python and JavaScript. Additionally, hands-on practice with cybersecurity tools and software is a must. Next on the agenda is acquainting yourself with cybersecurity frameworks and standards. These include the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, ISO IEC 27001, and more. Understanding these principles, best practices, and compliance requirements will give you a solid foundation in cybersecurity. Once you've got a handle on the basics, it's time to dive deeper with online resources and courses. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer comprehensive cybersecurity courses, while blogs, forums, and communities can keep you updated with the latest industry trends. Certifications are the next step on your cybersecurity journey. These validate your skills and knowledge and are often sought after by employers. Entry-level certifications like CompTIA Security Plus can provide a good starting point, while more advanced certifications like CISSP and CISA can demonstrate your expertise in the field. But learning cybersecurity isn't just about theory. Hands-on labs, cybersecurity challenges, and simulated exercises can help you apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Participating in cybersecurity communities, workshops, and hackathons can also give you a chance to collaborate with peers and solve practical problems. And lastly, remember that cybersecurity is a dynamic field. Staying updated and continuously learning is key to success. So to summarize, starting a career in cybersecurity involves understanding the basics, exploring different areas, gaining technical skills, learning about frameworks and standards, using online resources, obtaining certifications, doing hands-on practice, and continuously learning. Now you're equipped with a roadmap to navigate the exciting field of cybersecurity. The journey might be challenging, but with dedication and persistence, you can certainly make your mark in this ever-evolving field.